Hello everyone. I just wanted to come on here to do this quick video, explain to you really quick why I've been missing, and share with you some items that I picked up for some upcoming giveaways for you guys, because I'm always thinking about you even when I'm away. So long story short, you guys, my mom is ill. She had surgery, so she is here in my home with me, and I'm taking care of her until she's up and around. So that is my reason for being away from you guys. And as you know, when you're taking care of someone, feeding them their meals, giving them their medicine, it is very overwhelming at times. So yes, that's why I haven't been on camera. But I will get back to you as soon as I can, you guys. I miss you guys so much. I have so much to share with you. But I did want to share really quick a couple items I picked up for my upcoming giveaways. So this first item you see here is, you know how I love Longchamp. So this is a Longchamp La Pliage tote in the Neo version, which I think now is discontinued. This is the taupe color here with the long handle straps. As you can see, they're still wrapped brand new. So this will be for my 5,000 subscriber giveaway. So I'm just going to put this away in my closet. Once I reach 5,000, then we'll have this giveaway so I can give this lovely gift to you guys. Next, I have another lovely giveaway here in this bag from Lululemon, which you guys hear me talk about all the time. It's one of my favorite stores to shop for my workout gear and other accessories as well. So this giveaway here would either be for my 4,000 subscriber giveaway, which I'm really close to that, or this will be like in a favorites giveaway. I haven't quite decided. So this one here would be the first giveaway, because I'm going to reach 4,000 subscribers shortly, or if I decide to give away in a favorites video, the favorites video will be soon as well. So you guys, I picked up 2 of these. Now I will let you decide what color you want. These are the everywhere belt bags, which I think are amazing, you guys. If you haven't heard about these, I don't know where you've been, because they've been all over TikTok, Instagram, everything, you guys. So hard to find. If you try to get them online, it's almost impossible. I picked these up in store, which is a lot easier, I think. You just have to find out, when they get their shipment days, and pretty much they should have them in the shipment. But yeah, I picked up 2 of them. I will let you decide what color you want. So let me share with you the bags. The first one I have is right here, and the one that I'm giving away is the 1 liter size. Now I have both sizes. I have the 1 liter and the 2 liter, and I use them for different things. I'm actually going to do a comparison video. Let me do that too on the 2 and show you how it looks and what fits and all that stuff, so you'll know. But yeah, this is the 1 liter size. So I have this one in this beautiful like gray silver. Let me see if they have the name or the color on here. It just has like the abbreviation for silver on here, but it's the everywhere belt bag, as I stated. But yeah, here it is right here, you guys. These bags are amazing. And as you can see, it has a zipper closure here. So here is your metal little pull tab. And then when you open it here, it's so roomy. You have your Lululemon here. And then you have your opening here, which is great for your phone. Water bottles fit in here, everything, you guys. Then you have 2 slip pockets here, which I normally put like hand sanitizer, lip gloss, and then all of your other items can go here. Now, I don't wear these as a belt bag. You know I wear them crossbody. All of my belt bags I do like that, even my Louis Vuitton. I wear mine across my chest. So that's the gray one up for grabs. And then we have the standard black one here, which I love this one. I love the feel of these, you guys. They're so easy. They're just like Longchamp, that same like nylon material, wipeable, everything, just so easy to throw around. My large one, you guys, I carry with me all the time to the airport. It's perfect. Let me just show you it so you'll see. I'm actually wearing it right now because, you know, when I go out, it's just quickly to, you know, grab some things. So here is my 2-liter one. So this is considered the larger size one, as you can see here. I was coming on here just to show you what I got for you guys, and it's turning into like a review. But yeah, it's everything in there. You see, I have my Louis Vuitton small pouch from the Neverfull. I have a mini pochette in there. I have my wallet in here. I have some hand sanitizer over here in this slot. I don't have anything in that slot. And then I don't have anything in the back slot as well. And then normally what I'll do is the back zipper here, I'll put my phone back there and sling this thing across me, you guys. It's amazing. Especially amazing like in the airport because I put my passport back there. But yeah, this is my airport one is what I call it. And then my other one here, the small one that I have, that I own, that's like my walking one. Like I walk every morning, that goes across me, put my keys in there. You know what, you guys, I'm going to tell y'all all about this in a video, okay? So, but back to what I came here for, is to show you guys what I have up for grabs for you. So, for the giveaway that's coming up, you'll get this Lululemon bag, tote bag that it came in. And then you'll get to choose which one you want, whether it's black or if you want the silver gray one in the 1 liter. So that is going to be my giveaway, and I promise you guys, you will love these bags. They're absolutely amazing. So you guys, again, these are the items I picked up for my giveaways. And again, the Longchamp La Pliage Neo Tote would be my 5,000 subscriber giveaway. And then my most recent one is going to be either a favorites giveaway or 4,000 subscriber giveaway. I haven't yet decided, but it will be either one of these two 1 liter everywhere belt bags from Lululemon. And if you've ever been in any of my giveaways, you know I make them very simple. You just have to be a subscriber and let me know you want to enter. You know, that is it. I will explain all of that once I put up the video for the giveaway. So yeah, I just wanted to share with you the items that I picked up. And you guys, share me with your friends and family. Share me on your channels. What have you. You guys help me reach those marks so I can give away these items to you guys. I miss you. And as always, thank you for watching today. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.